हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, आता आपण बघूया क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन्स या चॅप्टरचा शेवटचा भाग. पण शेवटचा पण खूप इम्पॉर्टंट भाग आहे तो. ह्याचं कारण असं आहे की एक्झाममध्ये येणारे 5 मार्काचे प्रश्न जे असतात, 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन्स, ते बहुधा वर्ड प्रॉब्लेमच्या स्वरूपातच येतात. वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम पण काही कठीण नाही आहेत. फरक फक्त एवढाच आहे की आधी काही वर्ड्समध्ये दिलेल्या कंडिशनवरून तुम्हाला क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन बनवायचं असतं आणि मग ते आधी बघितलेल्या मेथड्सप्रमाणे सॉल्व करायचं असतं. एक गोष्ट याच्यामध्ये लक्षात ठेवा की जेव्हा वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम्स जेव्हा येतात तेव्हा त्याच्यामध्ये युनिट्स असतात. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल मी तुम्हाला विचारलं की 2 अधिक 3 किती, 2 + 3, यू विल से 5. आन्सर इज करेक्ट. पण मी जर का तुम्हाला विचारलं की 2 पेन्सिल अधिक 3 पेन्सिल बरोबर किती, आणि मग तुम्ही जर का आन्सर दिलेत 5, देन दॅट इज रॉंग. इन दॅट केस द आन्सर मस्ट बी 5 पेन्सिल्स. सर, ज्याप्रमाणे इकडे कॅल्क्युलेशन नीट करून करेक्ट आन्सर काढणं जरुरी आहे, तसंच इथे त्याचं युनिट लिहिणं पण जरुरी आहे. जर युनिट लिहायला तुम्ही विसरलात तर तुमचा 1 मार्क, मी जर का पेपर चेकर असेल तर मी 1 मार्क तर डेफिनेटली कट करीन तुमचा तिकडे, बिकॉज युअर आन्सर इज नॉट परफेक्ट. डिजिट्स आर करेक्ट, नंबर्स आर करेक्ट, बट युनिट इज नॉट गिवन. अँड युनिट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. वाय? काही वेळेला असं असतं की रेक्टँगल किंवा जॉमेट्रिक फिगर्सचे डायमेन्शन्स दिलेले असतात, ते सेंटीमीटरमध्ये असतात आणि आन्सर काहीतरी मीटरमध्ये असतं. मग त्यावेळेला तुम्हाला कन्व्हर्जन पण करायला लागतं. काही वेळेला मीटर टू किलोमीटर करायला लागतं, किलोमीटर टू मीटर करायला लागतं. सो तिकडे तुम्हाला काळजी घ्यावी लागते. यू हॅव टू व्हेरी पर्टिक्युलर अबाउट द कन्व्हर्जन्स ऑफ द युनिट्स. ठीक आहे. सो त्याच्यानंतर जसं क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन तुम्ही सॉल्व कराल, वी मे गेट 2 आन्सर्स और 4 आन्सर्स, वॉट एव्हर इट इज. सो यू हॅव टू थिंक, इफ इट इज अ लिव्हिंग बिईंग, जर का काही ॲनिमल्स, नंबर ऑफ ॲनिमल्स असतील, नंबर ऑफ पीपल असतील, तर त्यांचा आन्सर कधी निगेटिव्हमध्ये येऊ शकत नाही किंवा फ्रॅक्शनमध्येही येऊ शकत नाही. इफ युअर आन्सर इज इन सपोज द बॉयज, नंबर ऑफ बॉयज, द नंबर ऑफ बॉयज कॅनॉट बी हाफ. You cannot cut the boy and put there. So in that case you have to imagine in that sense also for your answer and select the right set of answers. Suppose if you get 4 answers of, let's say, quadratic equation in x, and if you get 4 figures, then you have to think out of these 4 figures which should be eliminated or which are not possible, and then you have to write the final answer and mark it. This is as a फायनल आन्सर. सो ॲज युजल आपण आधी काही सॉल्व्ड एक्झाम्पल्स बघूया आणि त्याच्यानंतर विल मूव हेड टू एक्झाम्पल सेट और एक्सरसाइज 2.10. सो टिल नाउ वी हॅव सीन द सोल्युशन्स ऑफ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन्स ऑफ डिफरंट टाइप्स, solution by different methods. So I don't think it is necessary for me to solve all the complete problem. What we'll do, we will solve the problem till we get the quadratic equation, and you will solve that quadratic equation and we'll get the final answer. Okay, so let us start with the first example. Now in this case, whenever the word problems are there, what you have to do, you have to go on underlining the words and immediately write down the given here. I will first read the example. This is the problem of Bhaskaracharya in his book Lilavati. This example is given. Okay. Out of group of swans, 7/2 times the square root of number of swans are playing on the shore of the tank. Okay. So the first part is given. So let the swans be x. Instead of finishing the problem reading completely, we will go on writing given and assumptions. So let swans be x. What they are given in the first part? 7.5 times the square root of the number of swans are playing on the shore of the tank. So on shore, 7.5 times the square root of the swans are playing on the shore. Next part is remaining two are quarreling in the water. So remaining two, how many are there in the water? 2. Okay. Calculate the total number of swans. When you write such given in a proper fashion, in a detailed way, it will be very easy for you to calculate it. So what are the total number of swans are? X equal to plus 2. I want to eliminate this, so I can multiply the whole equation by 2, then transfer, make square, it will be done. Let us do it. Then it will be 2x 7 root x plus 4. So I'll get, by squaring, let us do like this. I'll take this 4 to this side, 2x minus 4 equal to 7 root x. So squaring both the sides, I'll get 2x minus 4 square is equal to 49x, right? I will open this bracket, 4x square minus 16x (49x). Pause your video and solve this example and find out the answer of x. So what is the answer? Answer is x 16 or 1 by 4. Now these are live birds. You cannot take 1 by 4. You cannot take fraction. So the number of swan are 16. 16 is the answer. But you have to write answer as total number of swans are 16, or we can say 16 swans. Total 16 swans. You have to decide which value should be considered and which value should be omitted. Okay, let's move ahead. The sum of the first n natural numbers is given by relation s equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Find n if sum is 55. We'll read it again, and while reading we will write the given. The sum of the first n natural number is given by the relation s is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. Later they say that find n if the sum is 55. So they are given sum is 55, n plus 1 upon 2. Very easy example. Can you solve this? First, take 2 to this side, open this bracket, you will get one quadratic equation, and by solving that quadratic equation you will get the value of n. Let us do that. This is 110 is equal to n square plus n. So you will get n square plus n minus 10 is equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation and you will get the value. Pause the video and solve this. The value of n is, by solving this quadratic equation, we get minus 11 and 10. Now, which number you should take? which number should not be taken, deleted, as this is not a natural number. So n is equal to 10. Okay, let's see third example. Now before going to third example, I'll tell you, whenever there is a 2-digit number or whenever there is a 3-digit number, how do we find out the value of that number? Now suppose the digit is 21. How do you get this? How can you split this number? Is it not like 20 plus 1? How you get this 20? Because here it is 2 and we know that this is a tens place. So this is 2 into 10 plus 1 because this is a tens place. Suppose one number is 345. How do we get this number? We get 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5, right? Because this is a 3-digit number, this is a 100 place, this is a 10 place, this is a unit place. So we get the numbers like this. Okay. Now if I tell you the number is xy, for example, how you will find the value of this? Simple, x into 10 plus y. If it is a 3-digit ABC, A into 100, B into 10 plus C. So based on this, we'll see one example. हे टिपिकल एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत. ज्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये एज दिलेलं असतं, वय, मुलाचं, वडिलांचं, आईचं, मुलाचं, बहीण भावांचं. एक प्रकारचे एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये 2 डिजिट नंबर, 3 डिजिट नंबर्स दिलेले असतात. काही ती स्वान सारखे एक्झाम्पल्स असतात. काही डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल अँड टाइम कॅल्क्युलेशनचे असतात. एव्हरीवेअर the method is same. We have to first find out from the given the equation, solve that equation, you will get the answer. Now this example, in a 2-digit number, it's a 2-digit number, समजा ही 2 digits आहे. Okay, in 2-digit number, the digit at a unit place is equal to the square of the digit at tens place. Let us say that 10 place digit is x. Let us, this is x. What they say? The unit place is equal to square of the digit of the tens place. So this is a x square. So what will be the number? The number will be 10x plus x square. Right? Whenever such number problem is there, 2 digit, 3 digit, mark this. If 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3, and then start writing down, then write the formula to find the value of this. Okay. If 54 is added to the number, the digits gets interchange. या नंबर मध्ये जर का 54 जर का ऍड केले, then what will happen? Plus 54, तर काय होणार? The numbers will interchange. So this digit is right now is 10x plus x square. What will it become? This will go to tens place, this will go to unit place. Okay, so that will be 10x square plus x equal to 10x square plus x. Have you understood? Again I am telling you, I have taken one number. Initially they say that unit place number, tens place is x. Unit place number is the square root of 10 plus digit. Unit plus digit is square of, I will explain it again. This is the 2-digit number. The digit at the unit place is the square of the tens place. What is the original number? 10x plus x square, right? 10x because x into 10, tens place. Now they say to this number, if I add 54, then the answer is something where you have to just replace the digits. Means x square will go here, this will be the new number. X square will come here, x will come here. So what is the number? 10x square plus x. When you will get this number? If you add 54 to this number. So 10x plus x square plus 54 is equal to 10x square plus x. Extremely easy calculation now we have. Can you solve this problem? Very easy. So equation you will get 10x square minus x square minus 10x plus x minus 54 equal to 0. So you will get 9x square minus 9x minus 54 Pause your video and find the value of x. Now, the answer is x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 2. Obviously, minus 2 cannot be there. So, x equal to 3. What they are asked to find out? Find a number. If x is equal to 3, what will be the number? The number is 10x plus x square, that is 30, plus 9 is equal to 39. Very simple. Always remember, whenever these digit examples are there, actually write the digits. What is the tens place? What is the unit place? And then go on solving. Ultimately find a final answer. Let us see one more problem. First I'll read the problem. A passenger train takes 2 hours more than an express train to travel a distance of 240 kilometers from Wardha to Akola. The speed of passenger train is less than that of an express train by 20 kilometers per hour. Find the average speed of both the trains. Let us draw. If this is the distance from Wardha to Akola is 240 kilometers. We will say that the speed of passenger train be x and speed of express train is, they are given that the speed of passenger train is less than that of an express train by 20 kilometers. So express train is x plus 20. Unit is kilometers per hour, kilometers per hour. Further they say that the passenger takes 2 hours more. That means here we have hours, time. Can you say that this is the distance, this is the speed. What is the time taken for each train? The time for passenger train is 240 by x, and time for express train is 240 upon x plus 20. Now we have got both the times. Distance upon speed is time taken by the train. They say that passenger train takes 2 hours more. This takes 2 hours more than this. That means TP is equal to TE plus 2. And so we have 240 upon x is equal to 240 upon x plus 20 plus 2. Very simple example. Now you have to solve this. You will get a quadratic equation. You will find x, that is speed of passenger train, and then you can add 20 to it. You will find the speed of express train. Just solve this equation now. Start. Let us solve this. I'll shift it here. 240 upon x minus 240 upon x plus 20 is equal to 2. Cross multiplication, 240 into x plus 20 minus 240x upon x into x plus 20 equal to 2. Open this. So we get 240x plus x square plus 20x is equal to 2. This 240 will get cancelled. Here we will shift it, denominator to opposite sign, will get 4800 is equal to 2x square plus 40x. 2x square plus 40x minus 4800 equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. Pause your video now and solve this equation to get the value of x. Mind well, you can eliminate these two. After rearranging the terms, you can divide the whole equation by 2 so that you will get x square plus 20x minus 2400. So solve it now. Pause your video. The answer is minus 60 or 40. As you know that the speed cannot be negative, so minus 60 is out of question. You have to write this statement. The speed cannot be negative, so the x is 40 kilometers per hour. The speed of passenger train is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. You need not write this unit here, but in the answer you should write that. And speed of express train is 60 kilometers per hour. You can write this SP and SE if you have defined these two variables here. Let the speed of passenger train be SP is x kilometers per hour. Let the speed of express train be SE x plus 20 kilometers per hour. Only then you can write it here, but as far as possible try to write the answers in full words. That is, answer speed of passenger train is equal to 40 kilometers per hour and speed of express train is 60 kilometers per hour. So now we should go to 2.10. So friends, we have learned this topic thoroughly. We have solved some examples for practice, but we are going to solve all the exercises which are given in the book along with the problem set, then the HOTS, some paper solutions, everything we are going to solve. For further solution of exercises and problem set, please purchase our DVD. You can buy our DVD online by visiting our websites. The address for the websites or the place where you can buy your DVDs are given just below this video in the description. Thank you very much.